So when people look at proteins and then when they look at things to cook, pork hasn't always been at like the top of the list, but pork is actually healthy for you, the right cut, has less fat in it, things of that nature. For you, in coming up in the restaurant world, why do you think it's been almost challenging for restaurants to have pork on their menu?
Sometimes I feel like we don't have the right information. When it comes to that. I grew up in Mexico, in a small town, where people, most of the time they eat pork, and they die 102, 110 years old.
Yeah.
They don't mess around. Pork is the biggest thing in Mexico, in small towns. But I believe just, we made a taboo talking about pork, not eating pork, because we don't have the right information.
Yeah. The way that you've seen, especially in Mexico and especially here in America, the way that they raise pork, the way that the pork producers are taking care of it, and the standards by which we operate by now, it's much safer now.
Yeah.
And so people can eat it closer to medium rare plus and 145 and things of that nature.